In this video, I'm going to cover some of the software that you'll need to start programming the WAGO controllers. Before we download, go ahead and create an account, and you want to create at least a premium account. So premium or premium with shop. If you don't know your customer ID number, then just create a premium. Do not create basic account, because then this will not allow you to download the software. So once you've created an account, go ahead and log in. And definitely the most important software you'll need is the CODESYS. We have the CODESYS Service Pack 18 and 19. So grab the latest one. And you have an option to do a bundle download, or just a download and a download list. I like to do a bundle download because it grabs all the dependencies as well. So it's got the device description file, it's got all the firmwares and add-ons. It's a nice way to keep all the matching versions together in a same folder. If you don't do the bundle download and you just want to download just the CODESYS, then you got to go and download other things individually. Or you can just add them all to the download list and download at all at once as well. So once you download the CODESYS, go ahead and install the CODESYS with administrator rights. And the other software that you're going to need is the IO check, WAGO upload, and WAGO Ethernet settings. The WAGO IO check is not a free software. It's a one-time license fee. And it also contains WAGO Ethernet settings as well. And these other software, some of them are standalone, some of them are plugins for the IO check. So if you click on one of them, read the description, you'll know that some of them are standalone and some of them will need the IO check software. If you need the download link for the IO check, please contact WAGO Tech Support. Another software that I use is the WAGO Navigator. When you install the Navigator and launch it for the first time, it's going to scan and grab all the WAGO software and prompt you if you want to import that into the Navigator. And it's just a nice way of keeping all the software in one location here. And if there's an update, it'll indicate that there's a newer version available, and you can click on this Download Center tab and go ahead and update the software or download the software that you need. So that's a nice tool. And besides that, we have BACnet configurator. We also have a dolly configurator, SMI configurator. These are all part of the WAGO solution builder. So if you are using any of these items, then you can download and install these to your computer. Next, we have the CODESYS add-ons. These will add on to your existing CODESYS. The telecontrol is your utility protocol. So if you're If you require that in your application, you can definitely download and install to your CODESYS. And also this solution builder add-on. This was going to require you to install this as well. One that I like to use is the CODESYS download server. Starting with Service Pack 19, if you add this to the CODESYS, let's say you open up a project and you have missing libraries and missing device description file. If you have this installed in the CODESYS, you can download those missing files from the CODESYS environment instead of coming back to the software and here download center and look for the missing items. Then you see here we got all the latest firmwares. We have some older firmwares in here as well if you need them. And we have the device description file. If you downloaded just the CODESYS, then you're going to need this device description file. And there are two listed here. One is our basic controller, which is our 750-8000 and 8001. And all the rest of the other controllers, like the compact controller, PFC 100, 200, 300, and our touch panels and whatnot, all of that will be in this. So you can come in and download the device description file. And when you add the device description file or any of these add-ons here, you want to open up CODESYS installer, and this is where you can install those packages. So you can do install file, navigate to your CODESYS device description, and it'll say WAGO devices and libraries. You can select that and open. I already have it installed, so it's letting me know that it's already installed in the target, and you can verify that right here. So these are all the modules or packages that you have installed in your CODESYS, and if you click on the updates, any of those updates will be shown here, and you can update those items. Keep in mind that the updates only show the CODESYS. All the WAGO stuff will not be shown here. You will have to manually install them. So if you added these add-ons to the CODESYS, then you're going to have this WAGO menu, and you're going to have the WAGO Navigator, WAGO Download Center, and the Solution Builder as well. And that's just a quick video of the WAGO Download Center. Other useful item, maybe a little sample project. And it's got sample projects of all these WAGO libraries. Again, you can download and install this using the CODESYS installer. And that's a short video of all the WAGO software that you'll need to get started. Thank you for watching the video.